Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin with opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then click on About Phone section. In it, you need to choose device name at the top and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with pumpkin. After that, you need to choose OK and then tap on OK in this pop-up to change name of your smartphone. And as you can see, after that, my Google Pixel was successfully renamed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!